In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Kit as a ClickFunnel. The goal here is to set up a simple funnel using Kit, so you can capture subscribers on a landing page, sell a product, and automatically follow up with an email sequence. Everything stays inside Kit, which keeps the setup clean and easy to manage. First, go to the Grow area, then open Landing Pages and Forms. This is where you will build the page that collects signups. Once you are there, click Create New, choose Landing Page, and select a template. Pick a layout that matches your offer and keeps the page focused. A clear headline and a simple opt-in form usually work best. Save your changes as you go so you do not lose progress. Next, set up what you are selling. Go to Earn, then Products, then choose New Product. Here you will create the actual offer your audience can buy. Set your price carefully, making sure it matches what you intend to charge. Then upload your file, which is the digital delivery for your product. When everything looks correct, click Publish. Publishing is important because it generates a product link you can share. Now you will create your follow-up emails. Go to Send, then Sequences, and select New Sequence. Write the emails you want subscribers to receive after they join your list. In the emails where you want to drive sales, paste in your product link so people can click through to purchase. After you finish each email, make sure it is toggled to Published, otherwise it will not send. Finally, connect everything with automation. Go to Automate, then Visual Automations. Click New Automation and choose Start from Scratch. For the trigger, select Joins a Form and choose the form connected to your landing page. This tells Kit to start the funnel the moment someone signs up. Then click the plus icon to add the next step. Choose Action, then Email Sequence, and select the sequence you just created. This links the sign-up to the follow-up emails automatically. When you are ready, toggle the automation switch to Live. At that point, anyone who joins through your landing page will be enrolled in the sequence and receive your emails with the product link. That covers everything you need to know.